ready to make my cabbage soup. I basically have onions and carrots and celery in here, and I'm sauteing it a little tiny bit. And then I have the cabbage right here, and I'm going to cut this up pretty soon later on after I end up putting some water in there and a little bit of vegetable broth. I got some really good stuff here. Here's some, what is this called? Forget the name of it. Rosemary and everything like that. So yeah, can't wait to have a good healthy soup. So here we go. Alright, so now I have my cabbage. I'm cutting it up. I washed it. Now basically I'm going to sit there and let this simmer. And I got all my stuff in here. I got a red bell pepper in there and some rosemary and all the different seasonings. I'll add more seasonings as well. And then I'm also going to blend up a tomato so I can have like tomato juice in here as well. It's going to be really good. Can't wait. Alright everybody, back to the soup. I got tomatoes in there and I got cilantro in there. And I'm going to basically make my own tomato paste, basically. Get my masher, mash it all up. Look at that. Alright. Look at that, yum. Why would I sit there and put all that tomato stuff in there with all that sodium? And then it's going to go in here. I added all the cabbage. Check this out. Just pouring that in here. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so good. There you go. 2 fresh organic tomatoes. Right there. I could have made some salsa. Alright everybody, this is how my soup is looking. Looking really good. Can't wait to eat it. Alright, I'm going to garnish it with some cilantro on the top, and it's going to be really good. Alright, and that's how you garnish the top, you know, with some cilantro and everything. I put some green onions in there as well. It's going to be really good. And here's for the seasonings that I put. I put a lot of seasonings on here. Different little things. I always do the pink Himalayan salt, and I always do some good crushed pepper. Some oregano. I'm sorry, paprika, yeah, some oregano. And then some 21 seasonings. Yeah, I just got a whole thing of different stuff here. So you just kind of choose and pick what you want. But yeah, it's going to be good. Stir it in here. Nice. Now I just got to simmer for a few hours, for an hour or so. Alright, and now this is the finished product. This looks really good. Bon appetit.